for some cozy October homemaking today on the Daily Connoisseur. Hello dear friends, and welcome back. We recently had the exterior of our house painted, and today I'd like to continue decorating the front porch for fall. We've been doing a lot of minor home updates behind the scenes, like I refreshed the bench cushions in our kitchen. I think that this darker stripe will be much more practical in case there are any spills. And we also had the pots in the back garden refreshed with new plants, bougainvillea and Spanish lavender. It's been nice to slowly update and refresh the house in areas that need it. So now let's turn to the porch. If you'll remember from a previous video, I layered the rugs for the front door. I love this diamond pattern rug so much. It's from Amazon and I'll link it down below. It was a great price. So now that the house is painted, I'm ready to take the porch up another notch. So I bought these pedestal urns at Home Depot and I placed potted yellow mums inside of them. I think the mums give this such a nice pop of color. Then it's time for me to place down the pumpkins. I have a mix of heirloom and the classic orange pumpkin here. And then I bought these tall dried grass looking plants. I'm sorry, I don't know the name for them. I decided to put those on either side of the bench. While I'm focusing on the door area today, the rest of the porch needs updating with rugs and furniture, so that is coming in the future. But right now I'm just focusing on the door. It's a new day and I have the perfect wreath to hang on the door to finish the whole look. I think the front door area looks so cozy and inviting now. I can't wait to tackle the rest of the porch. It really is a great space that needs some love. Also, I am loving my outfit today. I'm wearing the Goelia button-down cardigan and wool skirt along with the Clark's suede boot, and it just feels so perfect for autumn. By the way, if you love my homemaking content, I think you're going to love my new book, The Daily Connoisseur's Guide to Living Well at Home, which comes out this November. My new book is full of beautiful inspiration to help you live your best life at home. I will leave the pre-order links down below, and it would mean so much to me if you ordered my new book. I heard in the news recently that due to elevated food prices, people are making hamburger helper dinners more. So I thought I'd make one from scratch and with some hidden veggies. I start by sautéing onions in olive oil and adding my hamburger meat and cooking that until it's browned. Then I drain the meat and return it to the pan. To this, I add 1 packet of beefy onion soup mix, and then my spices, onion powder, garlic powder, and paprika. I then add 1 large shredded zucchini, and I cook that for a little longer. Then I add the liquids, tomato sauce, and beef broth. And now I am going to cook the pasta in the dish. So this is a really nice 1-pan meal. So I add my elbow macaroni. I was experimenting and I only used 1 cup here, but I could have definitely used more, at least 1.5 cups. Once the pasta is cooked, I add cheddar cheese and give this a stir. I serve this with more cheddar cheese on top and some chives from the garden. This hearty dish is delicious and a great way to add more veggies to your kids' diet. I'll leave the recipe in the description box down below. I hope you enjoy it. And now for a Halloween craft my kids and I have been enjoying. You've probably seen these coloring books around. They are all over social media. We owned a few and I never understood the hype because we would color them with colored pencils or crayons and it just didn't turn out that well. But for my son's birthday, we gave him this giant marker set because he loves to draw, and these markers are the best for coloring these pages. They just fluidly fill the spaces and it is so satisfying. So now I do understand the hype. So today my boys and I are coloring in more Halloween pages to paste on our hallway wall. And voila, my finished page. I love this cozy ghost in his bed counting sheep. And these are the ones that my boys did. I love them so much. We will hang these on our hallway door with the others that my girls also completed. I'm making oatmeal cookies now, and I wanted to share some thoughts on how to create fall ambiance on a budget. You can still feel cozy and get all the fall vibes without having to buy too many things. So some of my favorite ways to do this are through baking, like making these cookies. It not only makes the house smell so good, but it's just a cozy activity to do this time of year, especially. You can also get it through reading books. So right now I'm nearly done with Then She Was Gone by Lisa Jewell. You'll see me reading this in my upcoming Pelican Hill vlog. And then I will move on to Murder, She Wrote, Trick or Treachery, which is a seasonal read that takes place in Cabot Cove over Halloween time. A perfect cozy mystery for spooky season. So yes, reading is another wonderful low-pressure way to enjoy this season without feeling like you need to do too much. So I will keep you posted on the books that I'm reading and whether or not I'm enjoying them. And then, okay, back to the cookies. I always do this with oatmeal cookies. I make them too big and then they mesh into each other in the oven. And then they turn out like all square. Oh dear. But they still tasted great. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. In the meantime, keep calm, remain classy and cozy, and I'll see you in the next video. Love, Jennifer.